Just one more day before we launch the new product, bro. Once this is done, I'll go on a 2-week vacation. Yes.
Nice. You have earned it, man. But a vacation with the entire family must cost a bomb, right? How are you managing it?
Well, to be honest, it is expensive. But you know what? I've been planning for this vacation for years now. In fact, remember 3 years ago the mutual fund SIP we both started together? I have been keeping this investment aside purely for the international trip with the family. You know, it's the first time for my parents to travel in an aeroplane and outside India.
I can totally understand, dude. Hey, tell me, we both started the mutual funds investment at the same time. How come then that my investments are walking slowly, whereas yours are running fast? Aren't all mutual funds supposed to be the same?
Definitely not. Raj, there is a category of mutual funds called the equity mutual funds that can give you a much higher investment growth compared to other categories, provided you keep money invested in them for at least 4-5 years to realize their full growth potential.
Now you are telling me. Tell me more, dude. Even I want to invest in equity types of mutual funds. By the way, what does equity even mean?
Good question. Tell me, can you think of any 5 big and successful companies in India?
That's easy. Reliance Industries, Tata Motors, State Bank of India, Hindustan Unilever.
Perfect. Now tell me, would you want to own these companies?
What? Who would not? Absolutely. I would love to. But of course, don't I need money to buy these companies?
Not to worry. Even if you can't buy the entire company, you can still purchase a small portion of it with the amount available with you. This small ownership is called equity, and you can get it by purchasing shares of these companies from the stock market.
That's easier said than done. What is the time, buddy? Isn't selecting the right company similar to choosing the right candidate for recruitment? Go through many resumes, background checks, interviews, etc. And here it is the question of my hard-earned money. What if I make a wrong decision? I can end up losing money instead of gaining.
And that's exactly why you need equity mutual funds. See, individually you may not have the time or expertise required for investing in equities. However, a fund manager has a deep understanding of the equities market and manages a large investment of money. This makes equity mutual funds an ideal way to invest in equities.
Oh, now I understand. So, do all equity mutual funds invest in the same type of companies?
Not at all. Equity mutual funds can be different categories based on which type of companies they select for making investments. This typically varies based on size of the company, type of industry, etc. In fact, SEBI, which is a regulator of all mutual funds in India, has classified equity mutual funds into different categories. These are large cap funds, mid cap funds, small cap funds, multi cap funds, large and mid cap funds, dividend yield funds, value funds, contra funds, sectorial thematic funds, focused funds, and ELSS. You should do that based on your risk appetite and investment horizon.
Wow, that's a lot of equity mutual funds. How do I choose which one is right for me? I think the investment horizon means how long I want to invest my money for, like short term, medium term, long term, right?
In general, the longer the investment horizon, better can be the investment returns for equity mutual funds. Age is also an important consideration. When you are young, you can have a much higher risk appetite or a longer investment horizon. But if you're in your 50s or older, then you should prefer safer medium, short-term investment options.
And what about the risk appetite?
Well, that has to do with how much risk you are willing and capable of absorbing. In general, large and well-established companies tend to be more stable and hence less risky. However, mid and small cap companies are likely to see many fluctuations in their businesses as they grow, and therefore higher proportion of such companies in your equity mutual fund can add extra risk to your investments.
Now that makes sense. I can clearly see why at my age it makes a lot of sense to go for long-term investment in equity mutual fund.
Totally. So now, invest in equity mutual funds. Come on, let's go. Lots of launch-related work to be done.
And lots of resumes to screen through.
Just like equity mutual funds.
You bet.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
For investing in equity mutual funds, contact us. +91 98106745998. Mohit.munjal@directusinvestments.com.